Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll take a look at review questions 10, 11, and 12. Let's begin with review question number 10. James paid $240,000 for his home. He paid $20,000 down and borrowed the remaining $220,000 from the bank as a non-recourse loan. The bank foreclosed on the property when James lost his job and stopped making payments. When the bank foreclosed, the balance due was $200,000, the fair market value of the house was $180,000, and James' adjusted basis was $185,000. The realized amount on the foreclosure is $200,000. What is James's gain? Is it A, $15,000, B, $20,000, C, $18,000, or D, 0? The answer is A. To figure gain, take James's adjusted basis and subtract the amount realized. Since the amount realized is more than the adjusted basis, James has a gain of $15,000. Now let's take a look at review question number 11. Jenny had a $10,000 credit card loan from her local credit union. In 2011, Jenny lost her job and was unable to continue making payments. The credit union decided to forgive $7,000 of the loan, while Jenny paid back the remaining $3,000 over a period of 6 months in 2012. How much should Jenny include in her taxable income as canceled debt? A, $10,000, B, $7,000, C, $3,000, or D, $4,000? The answer is B. Only the amount of canceled income should be included in Jenny's taxable income. Now let's take a look at review question number 12. In 2008, Jessica purchased a home for $250,000. She borrowed the entire purchase price and was personally liable for the debt. In 2012, Jessica lost her job and was unable to continue making her mortgage payments. Because her mortgage loan balance was $235,000 and the fair market value of her home was $180,000, Jessica abandoned her home. Jessica's adjusted basis is $250,000 and the amount realized is $235,000. What is Jessica's gain or loss for 2012? Is it A, she has a gain of $15,000, B, loss of $55,000, C, gain of $35,000, or D, loss of $15,000? The answer is D. Jessica's adjusted basis is $250,000 and the amount realized is $235,000. Because the adjusted basis is more than the amount realized, Jessica will have a non-deductible loss.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.